For bulk alt text, Azure AI Vision Caption beats GPT-4o on cost. It returns one human-readable sentence per image in under a second. At roughly $1 per 1,000 images, it scales cheaply. This is for engineers automating accessibility across large media libraries. GPT-4o Vision costs 10 to 20 times more per image. 3 things ahead. First, choosing between caption, dense captions, and GPT-4o. Second, the Python call and how to batch it. Third, the gotchas that quietly wreck accessibility. One default setting produces alt text screen readers hate. That surprise lands 2 scenes from the end. AI Vision Caption gives one clean sentence, ideal for standard alt text. Dense captions describes multiple regions when images are complex. GPT-4o Vision reasons about context and reads text in scene. Use GPT-4o only when a plain caption misses meaning. For most product and stock photos, caption is enough. The image analysis client keeps this short. Point it at a URL or bytes, request the caption feature. You get back text plus a confidence score. Set gender-neutral captions to true for inclusive output. That one flag matters more than it looks. The standard tier allows 15 transactions per second. Fan out with Async or a worker pool. Read images from blob storage. Write captions back as metadata. Add retry with exponential backoff for throttling errors. Checkpoint progress so a crash never reprocesses your whole library. Here is the surprise. Never ship low-confidence captions unchecked. Set a threshold near 0.5 and flag failures for human review. Don't prefix alt text with image of. Screen readers already announced that. And decorative images need empty alt, not a caption. Auto-captioning everything creates noise, not accessibility. Rule of thumb. Default to AI Vision Caption for volume. Escalate to GPT-4o only when confidence stays low or context is critical. Route infographics and screenshots with text to GPT-4o. Keep a human in the loop for anything customer-facing. This blend controls cost while protecting quality. Caption for scale. GPT-4o for context. Always gate on confidence. Turn on gender-neutral captions and skip the redundant prefix. Handle decorative images with empty alt. Pricing and rate limits shift, so check the current Azure docs. Try it on 100 images before you commit to the pipeline. If this helped, do me a favor. Hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.